Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel TT Academy, and today we are going to discuss about the latest opening from the HPCL Green R&D Bangalore. So today in this video we are going to discuss about this opportunity, what are the perks and benefits to fill up this form, and what are the pros and cons also. So we are going to discuss about in detail the eligibility, the application process, the stipend, job role, position, location, perks and benefits, syllabus and exam pattern, and of course the application fees also. The cutoff date for filling the form is the 14th September. So for the qualifying degree and for the age, all the parameters will be calculated as on the last date of the this application form, that is 14th September. So for the unreserved category and for the other categories as well, you have to go through the detail. What are the points that are mandatory to understand? So stick to the till the last of this video, and we are going to discuss all the things. Okay, so let's start. Talking about this advertisement that is published on the HPCL career site, you just search HPCL career, and the very first advertisement is this. You can just download the advertisement if you want any details regarding the HPCL and other things, but that are necessary before going for the interview. For the today itself, you must make sure that you should clear your eligibility criteria and what are the benefits to join this organization as a fixed term project associate, and what are the consequences and perks that are going to be benefited for you. Okay, so let's start with the important one, that is the commencement of online application, that is 15th August. Already the application is live, so go through the apply button on the career site of HPCL and do fill this form before the deadline, that is 14th September. So main topic is what is the job role if you are going to select, if you are going to select as a fixed term project associate, then what are the things you have to do. So as from the points listed, it is very clear that you have to assist scientists carrying out research project, prepare samples, monitoring the batch reactions, running up the pilot scale plant in shift, carrying out other jobs like reactor cleaning, and if any analysis is there, and all the safety measures. You have to make sure the lab safety uh, criteria, and you have to deal with daily practice also. So if you belongs to the MSc or BSc educational background, if you belongs to the diploma or BTech background with certain branches also, in the further slide we are going to discuss about that also. But for the BSc and MSc candidate, it is a very good opportunity if you want to make your career in the quality section, if a sector like quality inspector, quality officer, and in the coming days there is a lot of vacancy in the BPCL also, because BPCL is going to inaugurate it one of the plant in the Odisha side. So there is a huge number of vacancies coming in the coming days you are going to see. So yes, if you belong to the BSc or MSc educational background and you are good at chemistry, so for the starting of your career with the good work also, you just go through this advertisement in the detail and make sure to fill the form before the deadline, because this is a very good opportunity for you guys. Okay, so let's move to the diploma and BTech section. If you belong to the these mentioned engineering branches like polymer and plastic, chemical engineering, technology, petroleum refining, mechanical engineering, or automobile engineering, then you can fill this form. And what are the perks and benefits you are going to deal with, we are going to discuss in the further slides. But while moving ahead, I just want to make sure that it is a more than a technical job. It is not a core job for you guys, because running a pilot plant is not a main work of a BTech or a diploma holders. But this is a very good opportunity in one of the fastest growing PSU like HPCL. So you should not ignore it. And while working before a big plant, if you are going to deal with the petroleum section, which is the main source of energy, if you get any opportunity to run a pilot scale plant also, because it is not a academic. project. It is an industry sponsored project. So you must deal with catalyst synthesis. You must deal with reaction troubleshooting. You are going to do a shift job also. So you can get a 50-50% of what to say, like knowledge experience of both the work, like quality also and the engineering also. And 90% of work is there is on the basis of the engineering principle. Like you have to deal with thermodynamics, you have to deal with heat transfer, mass transfer, and the CRE as well. Okay. For the mechanical engineering guys, it is not up to the mark, but for the chemical engineering guys, it is a very good opportunity if you are considering yourself in the coming days for the research area and all. Okay. If not in research area also, for the starting of the career or for enhancing your knowledge in this area, you should consider this job because it is a very good opportunity and there is a lots of learning you guys must go through. Okay. So coming to the further slides, like eligibility criteria, yeah, as I already told you, the cutoff date is 14 September. So your age must not exceed 28 years, more than 28 years on that 14 September for the unreserved category, and for the other category guys, there's a relaxation as per the government norms. Okay, like the mode of selection, the second most important thing, before 3 to 4 years now selection is on the basis of the CV shortlisting, and they are calling on the behalf of the CV shortlisting and call for the interview. But now, from the last 3 to 4 years, they are holding a written test because there is a huge number of application are received from this you guys, and it is a very damn sure that you are going to write an exam in the last of the October month. So be prepared for that. If you talk about the exam pattern, then there is a no negative marking like 100 to 150 question around. You are going to deal with it like 100 question because last year only the 100 question. If there is a change in this year, then I will update you from any other video. But till yet, if they are going to follow the last year methodology for selection, then there is a 100 question and there is a no negative marking. And on the basis of the marks in the CBT, they are going to call you for the interview. Okay. On-site interview, no virtual interview. They are call you to the Bangalore, and be sure that you just go through basics of your subject because the exam level is not as much as tough, because what the HPCL hold a written test every year, the exam level is more easier than that also. So very easy question pattern, so there is a high cutoff you can expect. So be prepared with your fundamentals, be prepared with your experience if you have. Okay, so that's it. And talking about the stipend, which is the third most important. So stipend is in between 40 to 50,000 for the BTech, MTech, and BSc and MSc graduate, and for the diploma uh, background candidates also. If you are a diploma graduate, then your salary will be stipend will be 40,000, and if you have 1 year of experience, then they are going to give you around 3,000 for a year of experience in this particular area, in the research area, or if you have any experience in this core discipline. Okay, so if you are a BTech, then they are going to offer you around 45,000 around. Okay, so it is a very decent pay. If you get in the Bangalore, then you can manage your expenses as well. Okay, and for the BSc and MSc guys, for the BSc same for the diploma, as same for the diploma for the BSc, and for the MSc same as per the BTech norms. Okay, so this is a fixed term project associate role. So this is not a permanent role. This is a contractual role up to 3 year, starting from the 1 year and up to 3 year, max to max. But in the coming year, there is a huge vacancy in HPCL, also in BPCL, in IOCL, and other refineries too. So you can expect that if you have gained experience of 2 years at least from this, then it is going to be damn serious, damn beneficial for you. So take it serious, fill the form before the deadline. And if you have any query regarding this, if you want to understand more deeply and want to understand what are the other perks and benefits, if you are belonging to a engineering site, and why I'm saying to join this organization, then you can just drop a comment. I will make another video like what are the benefits to join this organization as a project associate. Okay. So a physical standard you can easily very not that much high. Physical is very nominal. And how to apply, just go through the HPCL career site and click on the apply section because the form is online. Deadline is 14 September. So do fill it before the last date. Okay, if you have further any queries, just drop a comment in the comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. So that's it, guys. If you found any other opening in any such prestigious organization, I will update you through this YouTube channel. If you are a new viewer, then you just subscribe it, like and share with your friends. That's it. Thank you.